This Komatsu pairs good with the competition, what I ran before, and it's just as good as Blade or better than what we've been running. You can get out to the job site probably about 3 miles an hour quicker than the competition. It's nice and comfortable, controls are easy to use, the visibility is good on this Komatsu, and backing up, you got the backup camera there. You know, you can sit in there all day and not get tired, and it's just fun to run.
And another feature that I really like on this Komatsu 655 is the transmission is similar to like an automatic in a car where it's a no stall, and that's a really good feature I like about this one. They're really easy to run and just seem like really good machines. Kirby-Smith's been really good to work with. Jay and I went to Kirby-Smith and they had a pile of dirt out in the back, and we were allowed to run the machine, and fell in love with it because it was good. You know, it's like getting a brand new pickup or something. I had my fingers crossed that we'd actually get one, and we did. We got 2 of them, so that was a blessing that day.